What are you doing? Supervising? Good morning, team.
Morning.
Morning.
First of all, Kelsey, great job tracking this car down. So, I got a lead from one of our customers and friends of the shop yesterday from Dan Reeder that there was a 67 S-Code 390 4-speed Mustang convertible on Texas Hunting Forum.
Yes, I am now a member of a Texas Hunting Forum and
So
have friends on there. I have a certain amount of likes and friends on there now.
Already, huh?
I do.
So in order for Kelsey to get a hold of this guy, she had to join Texas Hunting Forum.
Yeah, that's what I was doing last night.
That's awesome.
Some girls watch Netflix, yeah.
So as soon as she got the guy's phone number, it was early this morning, she texted me, I called the guy, and made a deal with him over the phone. So we're going to Keller, Texas to chase down a 67 S-Code 390 4-speed Mustang convertible that was only posted on Texas Hunting Forum. This is one of our odder leads we've had in a while.
That is one of an otter one that I got from you.
And Kelsey's going with us. So hopefully we'll have a killer lunch in Keller, pardon the pun. Dad joke of the day, sort of. So grab your cup of Joe and let's go. So I'm going to go in and talk to the owner because he's not sure if he's going to let us film or not, so wish me luck. All right, team, you want the good news or the bad news?
Bad news first.
Bad news first?
Yep.
He does not want to film. He doesn't want to be on camera. Okay. He said we're more than welcome to film the car where it sits and load it up. And obviously by saying that, I got it bought.
Cool. That's great.
He's owned it since 1980. 1980 Texas title. It's really cool.
Do you have the keys?
We got the keys right here.
Fantastic.
And a bunch of receipts. He bought this car in 1980 as a running and driving car for $1,200. I think it's appreciated quite a bit.
Wow. Yeah, that's wild. I can't imagine.
But he said that that car has not, he's had it for 42 years, and it has not moved in 40 years. So let's go look at it. I'll show you the codes. Neat car. All right, Alex, I've got something for you that's unusual when we buy Mustangs, it seems like.
What's that?
Keys.
How many lot sets have you put in Mustangs?
I don't know, maybe 50.
A ton. We walk up to the car door, it's told you it's an S-Code 390.
Yeah.
Door warranty tags original. Is S-Code. 76A is convertible. The color is D, which is Acapulco blue. The trim is 2B, which is light blue, dark blue, standard interior, which is correct. The DSO, which I love, is 61. What's 61?
Dallas.
You're correct. Dallas, Texas DSO. Awesome, which means this car, if it's not rust-free, it's definitely going to be a good car.
Yeah.
Axle is a D, which is a 325-to-1. Ford calls them traction lock, or posi, which is, this car had to be a blast to drive. And transcode is a 5, which is a 4-speed. So, what's the most important thing that we need to look at on this car?
See if it has an S-Code. Or the motor.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
Look how clean that is.
It is an S-Code, but it looks like it's got a 289 in it now.
It does. But we just so happen to have a couple of 390s, don't we?
390s, 427s, 428s.
We've got all the big blocks ready to go. This is going to be a great car.
Yeah.
Kind of odd. It does have power disc brakes, which is great. It does not have power steering.
Yeah, it is weird.
No AC, but it's got a power top. I would have thought the way this car is optioned would have been a manual top. What do you think, Kels?
Sweet. I think it's fantastic.
Okay.
You got it bought.
Now, we're on our own as to where we're going to go eat lunch.
Okay.
I didn't get a recommendation out of him.
I did get some recommendations. We posted on Instagram saying that we were coming out here like 30 minutes ago.
Okay.
So there's a couple hamburger places.
I'd be in for a mom and pop hamburger place.
A good burger.
But you pick it out.
Makes me think of, is that Keller's Drive? I know we're not. That's
Keller's is
close,
great.
But Keller's in Dallas is really good. But I'll pick it out and then
Okay. Now,
maybe I'll surprise y'all.
I don't actually know the production figures on this car, but I am positive it is crazy rare.
Blue on blue with the 390 and the 4-speed.
And a traction lock.
Yeah.
Gotta be rare. So I'm gonna guess
With a power top.
less than 200, probably 394 speed convertibles total.
Yeah.
And I bet on this color combo and these options, it's the only one.
Yeah.
If there's more than one of these, I'd be surprised. But we'll find out. We'll give
I'm
you
about
guys
to
an
say
update.
we'll find out.
All right, let's get it on the trailer.
Loaded.
What are you doing? Supervising? Digital radio still on. That's kind of cool.
By 6 if you need that. Will that work? Better?
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's fun. That's okay, look at that. Go ahead.
Science.
I love it when a plan comes together.
We gonna make it?
I think so. It's not going anywhere. Should we put an extra on for safety? How about we check it at the restaurant?
Sounds good.
Okay. Looks like we're definitely continuing the year of the Mustang.
Yeah.
So Kelsey got that lead late last night. We're on it first thing this morning. It's already on the trailer. So that was fresh and quick. Now, Kelsey found a place to eat, so she picked it. Let's go eat.
So, been checking the Instagram messages for recommendations, and Patina Classics Texas, which he's actually out of Fort Worth, recommended 7 Mile Cafe. So that's where we were at, and I think this is the square, West Lake, South Lake? No, we're in Keller.
We're in Keller.
Yeah, the
Yep.
square of Keller. So it's supposed to be breakfast food, supposed to be good. So thank you for the recommendation.
I'm hungry,
Classic.
but I'm always
too.
hungry. It's actually straight up 12 noon. We almost never eat lunch at lunchtime.
It's because I'm here.
That's because Kelsey's here. That's all right. Organization.
Can I do the migas, please? And also French toast with a side of Nutella, please.
Somebody's hungry.
Corn, please.
What else get you?
California Benny.
Hash browns okay with that meal?
Yes, I'd like them deep fried.
How about y'all over here?
I'll get the farmhouse biscuit sandwich. Yes, please.
One with corn, correct?
Yeah. Thank you.
Farmhouse biscuit sandwich?
Thank you.
California Benny.
Right here. California Benny. Ooh, that looks good. Poached eggs, bacon, tomato, avocado, hollandaise sauce, deep fried hash browns.
He's got you written all over it.
Oh my goodness. That's the best bite already. Let's see what we get. I gotta get the bacon on it. So I guess I'll. It's not going very well. Hollandaise, bacon, big bite. Whoa. You gonna do that, Alex? That's great.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Wow.
Now I know what I'm working with.
So the apple didn't fall far from the tree, did it?
No,
This is what Kelsey ordered, that and that.
Over-orderer.
All right, I'll help you with it. So my California Benny was outstanding. Deep fried hash browns, of course. How was yours?
I think I had the whole deal where my eyes are bigger than my stomach. But that is like one of the best pieces of French toast I've ever had.
French toast
It
is
was
good.
Really good.
I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my palate with a bite of French toast. Did you just eat one of them, Alex?
I did. Just one. It was really good though.
A lot. Zach, how were your tacos?
Good. Really good.
Good.
I ate more than you did.
So we're at the 7 Mile Cafe at downtown Keller.
Yeah,
Downtown's really neat.
it's a cool area.
Maybe Zach will get some B-roll of it. I don't know.
I hear there's like 4 water towers.
Yeah, how many water towers you guys want to see? 'Cause we found 3 so far.
Let's count them down right now.
We're going to show 3 of them. One at the train station, one in downtown, and the one that was actually in
Zach was
the
gonna
neighborhood.
He was going to edit
was
it
gonna
on an
add
edit and show them all.
No, we're leaving that whole thing.
Awesome.
That was fantastic. I have some to-go French toast for the road.
So thank you to Patina Classics for that recommendation.
Yep, Patina Classics, Texas.
Thanks, guys. 7 Mile Cafe was fantastic. Now we're going to go shoot some water towers. Another exceptional Mustang rescue. It's definitely the year of the Mustang.
It is the year of the Mustang.
It's amazing. This car has been in that guy's garage until recently when he pushed it out and decided to sell it. For 40 years it has not moved.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And to find it, we have bought several 390 S-Code fastbacks, actually a bunch of them over the last 3 years. We have yet to even look at an S-Code 390 convertible, much less with a 4-speed. So, thank you guys for going along with us. Kelsey, thanks for being here today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So you guys please like, tag, share, and follow, and most of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the updates. Got a really exciting update on this car. We did look at the door warranty tag as I broke down the codes in the prior video. I didn't have a Marty report on this car. He didn't have a build sheet. I did not have a stat report. Now I do. So thank you to Kevin Marty at martyauto.com. And remember, if you need a report for your Mustang, your Ford, your Lincoln, your Bronco, or your Pantera, martyauto.com. So let me tell you what this car has. It's crazy special. So for those of you who live in Dallas, you'll remember Lee Jarman Ford in Carrollton, Texas, which is basically Dallas. This is a DSO 61 car. So this car has been in the Dallas area its whole life. And again, in the garage since 1982 for 40 years. And you remember it's a 394 speed track lock, which they also call directed power differential. Really cool. AM 8-track car with air conditioning. And I was hesitant to say on the prior video this was a GT because the GT lights weren't in it. And I wasn't sure it's a GT, and it is in fact, has the GT equipment group. And the top was white from the factory. But here's what's exciting. I predicted it was a one-off car, and I think it is for multiple reasons, but we'll do a quick breakdown on how it is a one-off car for one reason. So, you had 2,180 convertibles with a 390 and a 4-barrel, which is more than I would have thought. Still rare. 940 of those had a 4-speed, 51 were Acapulco blue, 18 had blue interior, 9 of those had the GT group, but only 1 of them came with an 8-track, so we'll post this. Yes, it is a one-off special ordered 394-speed track lock GT Mustang convertible that is super solid. Next, we're gonna go get an update real quick on the 53 paddle car. Okay, here's your update on the 1953 paddle car. As you know, there were only 300 of these built, and this one is serial number 135. It is for sale on BAT right now. Bring a trailer at no reserves. The highest bid wins it. We will crate it and ship it to you. Crating and shipping is gonna be about $500, we think. So check out the link.